Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Ku and Miss Su, chapter 107, part 1. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gu Xixi and Xiao Su. Right now, Xiao Su was slowly approaching Xiao Jin. Well, looking at Xiao Jin, she looks really surprised that Su Heishi will suddenly appear, especially today. She was on the airport and she is going to fly. But according to right now, her secretary is patting her shoulder. Well, this is it. She was really sold. Right now, Xiao Su, she was here to meet her. Don't leave. Keep talking, and I'll go look out for you. Well, now she knows that it's been sold out, and she can do anything but just to face Suhishi at this moment. After saying few things, her manager suddenly went out, and it leaves the two of them there, standing. Suhishi, she seems to be really serious, that's why she want to meet her right now, even though she knows that maybe Xiaojing will refuse her. It's like taking a chance. Well, this is feeling awkward. The two of them are not speaking, especially for Xiaojing. And a few moments ago, she was really complainant, but right now, she kept herself in silence. So she's forcing herself to smile. Now, she was calling Xiaojing. Probably want to see her, show to her that she is really forcing herself to be happy. I gave Lily the keys to the sports car you gave me and she will return them to you. Right now, she really gets done. As for the other things you gave me. Oh, right now. So, this is bad. It turns out she really want to return everything that Suhishi gave her. The car? So, what about the ring? She going to give it also? Well, this is not good. She's pursing her lips. She can say the words ring. Now, she lowered her eyes. Diamond ring I finally found. Right now, she's touching her hands. Well, when she was touching it, she really noticed that there's no ring on her hand right now. I thought that I would never be able to return it to her in this life. After all, I don't want to experience panic of accident using it again. Right now, shouting. So, did she really keep the ring? Now, she want to return it back to her. But months ago, shouting, she really got panic. The ring is really missing. That time, the two of them are in the car. Suddenly shouting, she was really panicking. She noticed that the ring is missing. And it really makes sense to her. Of course, it was really special for her. Don't worry, think carefully about where do you leave it. It doesn't matter if you really can find it, Xiaojing said to her on that time. Suhishi is trying to calm her down. This girl, she was really forgetful. Why doesn't it matter what you gave me? Oh, right now, Suhishi. Seems to be she was puzzled on that time. She really even know that ring is not important to Xiaoqing. Well, that time, Suhishi, instead of getting angry, back then, she was really laughing. Where did my ring go? Xiaojing is asking her. Probably Suhishi take it from her because she leave it on something. What's your expression? I can find the ring, but you're still in laughing. Xiaojing is asking her on that time. It seems that Suhishi, she was really making fun of her. Probably she really kept the ring. Back then, she was breathing out. Suhishi, she was silent. She was only looking at her. Well, Xiaojing on that time, she was really cute when she got this. Especially, she was really cute when she got angry. Xiaojing, don't be anxious. Right now, Suhishi back then, she was holding her face, wants her to look at her. She's holding up her face, probably to see her more and more, and she moved closely. Suhishi said to her, I'm just happy. She was really happy when she always teased Xiaojing. Back then, Xiaojing seems to be puzzled. After all, when I first gave you the ring, you didn't seem to be happy. I thought it wasn't very important to you. So, hearing this, Xiaojing's really panicking because she lost the ring. Back then, she was really happy, knowing that Xiaojing is really concerned about her. Actually, was surprised that you would give me this thing that day. So he she said to her, I know. Well, probably Xiaojing really want to please her on that time because she really lost the ring. Originally, I didn't want to send it so quickly. After all, you are far less accepting of me now. Oh, back then, so she was really good. Back then, she was trying to coax Xiaojin. Xiaojin said to her, not so. I love it more than all the gifts I used to. So, it was really meaningful to her. That ring, she really liked it. And other material things, it's only trivial to her. She only cared for the ring. It is really. So she is asking her, do you like the diamond ring that was given by the others in the fast? Well, technically, that ring passed through the family of Suhishi. That's why it was really an heirloom. Family members can only give it to people they will love in future. So Suhishi gave the family heirloom Gusishi. Right now, really makes sense. That ring is really important. I haven't worn a diamond ring that someone else gave me. This is the first time I've worn this kind of thing. Well, probably Gusishi is the kind of person who always don't want. They only want to live one simple life. Like Suhishi, that family is really great and affluent. That's why these things only seem these things to them. Suhishi on that time, she was really happy and she was calling Xiaojing. Also gave the diamond ring together. She will send it to you later. Now, hearing this, she was really sad. She was acting that she's going to cry at this moment. Well, hearing this, it was really sad. Even though Xiaojing right now, she really can't look at them straight. Xiaojing, Suhishi is trying to call her. Xiaojing, she was not looking at her. She was only looking at down. Hey guys, there's a part 2. Just wait for it for a little. Thank you so much for Ko-Fi membership, Alima Mustafa. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open for those who want to support the channel. You can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!